Have you ever been told you should try mindfulness and thought, okay, what does that even mean? Maybe you've seen people sitting cross legged on the beach at sunrise. Maybe you've downloaded the meditation app and never opened it again. Or maybe you tried to clear your mind and ended up thinking about your grocery list instead. So today, let's talk about it simply and honestly. Is mindfulness right for you? No hype, no pressure, just clarity. All right. What mindfulness actually is and isn't. First, let's clear something up. Mindfulness is not emptying your mind, becoming a different personality, ignoring your problems, or suddenly turning into a super calm monk. Mindfulness is simply this: paying attention to the present moment on purpose without judging it. That's it. It's noticing your thoughts instead of being carried away by them. It's noticing your breath. It's noticing how your body feels. It's noticing your reaction. It's awareness without attack. Now, why is everyone talking about this though? There is a reason mindfulness has become so popular. People are feeling overwhelmed, constant notifications, deadlines, conversations replaying in their heads, future worries, past regrets. Most of us live either in what already happened or what might happen. Very rarely do we live in what is happening. But mindfulness helps anchor you in the now. And that can feel relieving. So, but what you really want to know is it right for you? Now, this is where it gets real. Mindfulness isn't about following a trend. It's about whether your life fits it, your personality, and your needs. So let's explore this together. So, mindfulness might be right for you if your mind feels constantly busy, if your thoughts feel like a browser with 37 tabs open. Mindfulness could help you slow the scroll. Now, if you act quickly and regret it later, mindfulness is going to build a small but powerful pause between stimulus and response. Now, that pause is going to change everything. Okay? You struggle to focus. Mindfulness is for you. It's going to train your attention. Even for 5 minutes a day, it's going to strengthen your concentration over time. Now, you want to understand yourself better. Mindfulness is going to increase your self awareness. And self awareness improves decision making. So, now if you feel stressed and don't know how to reset, a few mindful breaths is going to calm your nervous system faster than you think. Mindfulness might not be what you think, because some people assume mindfulness means sitting still for 30 minutes every day. That's not true. You can practice mindfulness while drinking coffee, walking, washing the dishes, listening to someone talk, or even during a workout. It's less about posture and more about presence. Now, I know there are some common concerns about mindfulness, but we can address that honestly right now. Now, you say, well, I can't stop thinking. Good. You're not supposed to. Mindfulness isn't about stopping your thoughts, it's about noticing them. Think of thoughts like clouds passing through the sky. You don't chase them, you don't fight them, you just observe them. The goal isn't silence, the goal is awareness. I tried it once and I felt nothing. Okay, well, that's normal. Mindfulness is subtle. It's like going to the gym once and expecting instant muscle growth. The benefits are going to build over time. Consistency matters more than intensity. Well, I don't have the time. You don't need 30 minutes. Start with 60 seconds. 1 minute of slow breathing, noticing your surroundings, observing your thoughts. You have 1 minute. You have the time at a stoplight. Take a deep breath. Breathe in, breathe out, and reset. So, instead of asking, is mindfulness right for me? Try asking, would being more aware help me? Would reacting less automatically improve my life? Would 5 minutes of calm benefit my day? If the answer is yes, mindfulness might be worth exploring. So, over time, mindfulness can help you feel less controlled by emotions. You'll notice patterns in your thinking. It's going to improve your focus, reduce stress, improve your sleep, and strengthen your emotional intelligence. But here's something important. Mindfulness doesn't remove problems. It just changes your relationship to them. And that shift is powerful. Who might approach it differently, your problems, if you're more mindful of them and what's yours to fix and what isn't? So if someone is dealing with deep trauma or intense anxiety, traditional mindful practices may need to be adopted with professional support. It's okay if stillness feels uncomfortable at first. There are many ways to practice awareness, and some may suit you better than others. Walking meditation, breathing exercise, journaling, body awareness. You don't have to force a method that doesn't feel right. So, a simple way to try right now is let's make this practical. Take a slow breath in and slowly breathe out. Now, notice the temperature of the room, the weight of your body, the sound around you. No analysis, just noticing. That's mindfulness. Nothing dramatic, just presence. You. It's just you, right for you. So mindfulness isn't about becoming someone else. It's about becoming more aware of who you already are. So if you're looking for more clarity, more calm, better focus, healthier reactions, it's worth trying. But if you're expecting instant peace, zero stress, a personality transformation, it may disappoint you. Mindfulness is simple, but simple doesn't mean easy. It's a practice. And like any practice, it grows with time. So, if you don't have to label yourself mindful, you don't need special clothes or an app. You just need a moment, a breath, a pause, and a willingness to observe instead of react. That's where it starts. So, maybe the better question is mindfulness right for you? Maybe are you ready to be a little more present instead? And so if the answer is yes, even slightly so, you've already begun. You're already more mindful. You're welcome. I'll see you guys later.